Digital currency. Bitcoin is the first of its kind digital currency, popularly called cryptocurrency, launched in January 2009. Underlying technology and transparency, there is no physical form of Bitcoin available. Its balance is kept on a decentralized public ledger, also called blockchain, which can be accessed by everyone, thereby providing unprecedented transparency. A massive amount of computing power verifies all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin, what you can do with it? You can create or mine Bitcoin, distribute Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin, store Bitcoin. What's so special? Absolutely decentralized. The most exciting thing about Bitcoin, denoted as BTC, is that unlike government-issued currencies, it is not issued or backed by any government or bank. High popularity despite being legal tenders. Though they are not legal tenders, they are very high in popularity among investors. It is the increasing popularity of Bitcoin that led to the launch of around 5,000 other altcoins. Lower transaction fees. BTC promises to lower transaction fees than any other traditional online payment mechanism. Understanding Bitcoin in simple words: Bitcoins are a collection of nodes, master nodes and simple nodes, that are nothing but computers. These computers run the code of Bitcoin and consequently store its blockchain. Each blockchain is a collection of blocks. Each block, in turn, is a collection of transactions. The best thing about this system is its transparency, making it unlikely for anyone, including those who started it, to cheat the system. All the computers that run the blockchain have the same block and transaction list. Everyone, whether they run a node or not, can see the new Bitcoin transactions occurring live and filling up the blocks one after the other. Cheating this system is unlikely. Does that mean no one can cheat the Bitcoin system? If a bad actor has to carry out a nefarious action, she has to operate 51% of the computing power that makes up the Bitcoin. As of May 2020, there are 47,000 nodes. Therefore, cheating this elaborate system is highly unlikely. Now, suppose a bad actor carries out an attack. In such a case, the people who are running the nodes or the computers will most probably carry out a fork to a new blockchain. This will make the attack a wastage of time, resources, and effort of the bad actor. Should you invest in Bitcoin? Why? Absolutely. What are you waiting for? You should invest now because of the following reasons. Outstanding prospect of growth in 2021. Almost all analysts are predicting a bull run in 2021 as they are expecting the mass adoption of BTC in the near future. Nexo co-founder Anthony Trenchev has said that by 2021 end, the Bitcoin price is expected to rise to $50,000. A respected on-chain analyst has said that one of his economic models a 10-time price appreciation to around $200,000 to $300,000 by 2021 end or early 2022. Many analysts believe that the next most logical target is the $24,800 United States dollars fib level, just below $25,000 United States dollars. Phenomenal performance in 2020. Bitcoin price has increased by around 170% in 2020. If we consider the lows during the COVID-19 crash in March 2020, the bounce back is phenomenal. Since the lows of March, the BTC price against the US dollar has increased by around 400%. JP Morgan analysts believe BTC will present itself as an alternative to gold in terms of store of value. A Bloomberg report says that the analysts of JP Morgan Investment Bank believe that BTC will continue to gain traction and may present a bear case for gold. The adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors has only begun, while for gold its adoption by institutional investors is very advanced. Billions of dollars worth of investment can potentially flow from gold to Bitcoin. Therefore, in the coming time, the gold may lose its shine as BTC's prospects brighten. 62% market capitalization. On December 10, 2020, the market cap of Bitcoin was $341,785,729,235 United States dollars, out of the total global market capitalization of $546,541,275,989 United States dollars. BTC's market share is 62%, the highest in the cryptocurrency market. Its price movement largely defines the overall movement of the market. Big players are investing heavily. Big-time investors such as BlackRock's Rick Rieder, Paul Tudor Jones, Stanley Druckenmiller, and Bill Miller are parking more and more of their capital in Bitcoin and other altcoins. Payment companies such as PayPal and Square are continuing to funnel more retail capital into Bitcoin and other cryptos. Big players are buying at lows, unlike 2017's bear run, when the BTC value tanked to 3,500 level. This time it'll be decent corrections. On December 9, 2020, the BTC-USD pair breached the 18,000 United States dollars level and moved downwards to 17,640 United States dollars and 56 cents, and at one point in time exchange data showed buyer interest lined up at the 16,200 United States dollars level. When asked about the prospects of the Bitcoin market, Cointelegraph Markets analyst Michael van de Papa and many others said that their overall estimate is positive because many big investors including Grayscale, PayPal, Square, MicroStrategy, and many others are buying at lower levels as the small crypto traders, shitcoiners, and weak hands sell off. They believe the downtrend will continue until the 18,500 United States dollars minus 18,700 level is reclaimed. Currently, the BTC-USD price is revolving around 18,022 United States dollars and 35 cents. So, time your entry by checking the technical charts and you'll most definitely reap the benefit in the coming year. Can I invest 100 United States dollars to buy Bitcoin? Yes, you can buy a portion of a single Bitcoin. However, always keep in mind that you've to give a certain commission for purchasing BTC. If you are paying 10 United States dollars for buying 10,000 United States dollars of Bitcoin, it means you are just paying 0.1% in fees. However, if you give 10 United States dollars fees for buying 100 United States dollars Bitcoin, you're 10% in fees. While investing 100 United States dollars, you should keep this thing in mind. This will help you make an informed and better entry into the market and invest properly. If you are a beginner, you can also try NapBots, a trading bot platform that designs profitable trading strategies and makes them available in a unique marketplace. The best thing about NapBots is that you can keep this AI-driven bot on autopilot and it can trade automatically on your behalf. It scans the market in real time, automatically trades for you, and helps you to make money even when you are sleeping. Announced in 2008 and published in early 2009 by a person hiding under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is a cryptographic virtual currency but also a peer-to-peer payment system based on blockchain technology. Bitcoin is the very first virtual currency and as such the most emblematic of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is based on blockchain technology, for which you can find more details in the article, The Blockchain for Dummies 1. This currency is therefore based on a distributed computer network. Thus, Bitcoin does not depend on any centralized control body such as a central bank, as may be the case for the dollar or the euro. Each of the users participating in the Bitcoin blockchain will act as both server and client to keep track and propagate all system transactions. As with any technology based on the blockchain, all transactions carried out since the creation of the Bitcoin are therefore known and accessible to everyone who is part of this blockchain. The blocks of transactions are encrypted and add to each other to ensure the integrity of the entire Bitcoin blockchain. That is why we talk about crypto money. The role of guaranteeing and verifying the various transactions executed on the Bitcoin blockchain is assigned approximately every 10 minutes to a computer on the network chosen according to its computing power in a random manner. What are the advantages of Bitcoin? In addition to the power of its protocol, Bitcoin as a currency has a number of advantages. This includes the ability to quickly and securely carry out peer-to-peer transactions anywhere in the world with minimal processing fees, where banks were taking large commissions in the process. In addition, Bitcoin has the advantage of anonymity. If all transactions are public, you can make purchases or exchanges without having to provide information about your identity. Only encoded character strings passing through the Bitcoin protocol. It may seem hard to accept that digital money could be worth a large number of dollars. In spite of the fact that the lines of code that make up each Bitcoin are useless all by themselves, markets value each Bitcoin at a large number of dollars. Bitcoin has value partially on the grounds that it has exchange costs that are a lot lower than credit cards. Bitcoins are likewise rare and turn out to be increasingly hard to acquire after some time. The rate that Bitcoins are delivered slices down the middle about like clockwork. This rate is relied upon to divide again at some point in 2020. The complete number of Bitcoins available for use is progressively moving toward the limit of 21 million set in 2009 by Bitcoin's maker, Satoshi Nakamoto. On the off chance that the interest for Bitcoins surpasses the rate at which it can be created, the cost will increment. As of January 2020, 18.15 million, or 86.42%, of absolute Bitcoins have just been created. 1. This situation doesn't ensure expanding costs. Cryptographic forms of money are fiercely unusual, even ones are as well known as Bitcoin. Bitcoin was worth $19,116.98 on December 17, 2017, however, the value fell significantly and presently couldn't seem to recoup as of the start of 2020. The value of Bitcoin is intensely subject to the faith of speculators, its reconciliation into budgetary markets, and open enthusiasm for utilizing it. The presentation of Bitcoin contrasted with different digital forms of money, for example, Ethereum is additionally significant in deciding its value. Bitcoin exchanges are put away utilizing an open record-keeping innovation called the blockchain. Investopedia. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized open record innovation called the blockchain. At the point when buyers make buys utilizing the US dollar, banks and credit card organizations confirm the precision of those exchanges. Bitcoin plays out this equivalent capacity at a lower cost without these institutions utilizing a framework called hashing. At the point when one individual pays another utilizing Bitcoin, PCs on the Bitcoin blockchain race to watch that the exchange is accurate. So as to add new exchanges to the blockchain, a PC must take care of a complex numerical issue, called a hash. On the off chance that a PC is the first to illuminate the hash, it forever stores the exchanges as a square on the blockchain.